How to enable direct messaging on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enable direct messaging or texting on TikTok account. Open TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log in, go to your profile. You can go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen. Once your profile opens up, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Now select Settings and Privacy. Once it loads up, go to Privacy option by tapping on Privacy. As you scroll down, you can find Direct Messages option on your screen. Tap on it and now tap on Direct Messages, and here you can select who can send you direct messages. Just make sure to tick the dot on everyone, and this way you can enable direct messaging on your TikTok account. Hope this video was helpful to you and you liked the video. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to mention a comment down below.